I'd like to carry on now with a song from our new album in England, and it'll be out in America shortly. And it's a song featuring just Paul, and it's called Yesterday. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came so.
Okay, it is 5:20. We are leaving.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've not yet left the runway. We do kindly ask you do remain in your seat with your seatbelt securely fastened. You're going nowhere. The doors are still closed. Sit down and fasten your seatbelt.
Welcome to England, Malgajak. It is so windy.
My hair doesn't blow.
It doesn't blow. Windy and overcast.
We came to Liverpool to visit Joy and James. Malgosia and Joy had worked together in Liverpool in a restaurant 20 years ago. Since then, they had visited us in Poland twice, one at our wedding in Poland 13 years ago, and another time to visit and see more of the country. Here we are in Poznan with my cousin Rafael. Just incredibly kind people. Our bus guide told us that when the Beatles got famous in America, a reporter asked them what they would miss about not being famous. John Lennon quickly responded, "I can no longer get a beer at the Phil anymore." And if we would have been here a couple years before, in this very room, we would have walked into this scene. This is not my footage, but that would have been a pretty cool day.
Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be.
I was really excited because I hadn't had nachos in a long time. Our hosts order much more traditional English pies. As famous as the main hall is, the urinals in the men's bathroom bring even more people in. The Liverpool Cathedral is the most impressive church I have ever been in. The internet says it's about the 8th largest church in the world, but I don't believe it. As far as the giant inside space, it feels bigger than any other church I'd ever been in. It is just beautiful, and it really just looks like it's on the Game of Thrones set or something like that. I was in awe. This is the biggest church feel I've ever been in. The stained glass was beautiful and the ceiling architecture was just gorgeous.
It isn't hard to do, and nothing to kill or die for. No religion too. Baby's good to me, you know she's happy as can be, you know she said so.
The Cat Cafe in Liverpool. It is a cafe with cats.
Baby says she's mine, you know she tells me all the time.
We then went to visit the famous Cavern Club, where the Beatles played over 200 nights. We ate here, had a few drinks, and saw this awesome Beatles cover band. The coolest thing for me about the band was that they were young, so it felt like the Beatles at their young ages were actually there.
I need somebody help, not just anybody help. You know I need someone.
The Cavern Club had also hosted Adele.
Hello, it's me.
Our final day, we took a wonderful walk to the beach, which was only about 20 minutes from their house.
Anybody's helping anyway.
Crosby Beach is famous for having over 100 statues on its beach itself. Originally designed to be just temporary, they are now a permanent feature of the Liverpool Beach.
And I do appreciate you being round. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please, please help me?
Check out the sand accumulation on this pathway.
My independence seems to vanish in the haze.
It was now time to go to the airport, but on the way, I desperately needed to visit Costco. Our son's favorite meal in the world is a Costco hot dog, and since we'd been in Poland, he hadn't really eaten any hot dogs. I wanted to try to bring back a package of Costco all-beef Hebrew National hot dogs. Did you have any idea the British spelled tire this way? I think we should bring this to America. Walking in the British Costco was a trip. It looked exactly the same.
Everything looks exactly the same. Hot dogs, hot dogs. Jumbo Frankfurt is not the same. Beef hot dog's not the same. No!
Wait a minute. This isn't my world. Disappointed!
They also have the same massive lines. One thing that was a little different was the food court. Same hot dog, but they have a pie here, chicken sandwich, and even some sort of potatoes.
Think of love as something new. Oh, I know I'll never lose affection. The people and things that came before. I know I'll often stop and think about them. My life, I love you more.
And you're going nowhere, the doors are still closed.